For the experiment, you will need a 2-liter empty soda bottle, baking soda, yellow and red food coloring, 1 liter of warm water, a funnel, vinegar, and liquid dish detergent.
First, you need a bottle and modeling clay, and you need to make a large cone shape, a volcano, to around in the soda.
Once you have made your volcano, use the funnel to pour warm water in the center of the volcano.
Few drops of red and yellow food coloring into the volcano.
A few drops of liquid detergent in the volcano.
Pour several tablespoons of vinegar in the volcano.
Add about 2 tablespoons of baking soda.
Move away from the volcano and watch it erupt.
We have checked the volcano and we now know why it didn't work. Yeah. It didn't work because the bottle inside the volcano is broken. We do apologize for not having seen before. Thank you.